Politricks watch. This is repeat. Now, if I think them happen to Iron Man, as I say, not even your favorite Hollywood director can come up with them. Today, we're going to Augustown. Today, I'm going to play some other recordings where you're going to hear people in a jail and out of jail attack. Them literally break down how they're going to beat the system. You see, the Zozo that is in Augustown right now is about to be tested because two set of rivals are now back on the road and they basically touch back the road at the same time. I'm talking about a Dan, them called Papa, and him a war with some youth who come from a place they call Hermitage. I say our Papa run place like Bottom Goal and them place there. And then you have Hermitage youth them, right? To them Dan is like to them called Beego. Right? So two them and them are war. Hermitage man them bust them case, Papa bust them case. So let me start with Papa. So Papa was on trial for a murder that took place in 2019. Matter of fact, it was the first murder recorded in that same year. Papa, in front of the courts, witness turn up. Suddenly, the witness start to fumble. Fumble so badly, that's the judge threw out the case. What went down? You see, the witness, in his efforts to not make it sound like set him deep into the badness too, right, start sell unicorns at the courthouse. At one point, the witness goes as far as to say he isn't aware of any gang war in Augustown. So he already knows that no judge not take it seriously after that. You can in a court say the things that you say, especially about Papa, and then you go say you don't know of no war or go on in Augustown. And this is a common thing to witnesses who are either 87s themselves or linked to badness. When them in a court, it's almost like them things say at them upon trial. So them a try talking a way where it sound like say them are deep in the badness. But then of course the defense lawyer I go start ask some questions like then how you know this? Then how come you there so? Why did they so? What's the relationship between this man and that man? When witnesses were actually linked to the badness, hear them question them now start think like say, they might figure me out. But it don't matter. You're not on trial. It actually benefits the witnesses who are linked to gangs, 87s, whoever, to be honest and actually own up to the fact say them linked with a gang. The best examples of this can be seen with the Klansman gang. Between the banker, C4, even Rattles Krattles. Remember, the first thing them do was declare who they are and declare the role them play in the gang, right? Them own up. I am a gang member and this was my job. That right there so actually help them credibility. Because if the banker go in a court, go start talking him a talk, but then try to make himself sound like a random civilian who just so happen to walk past and see all of this, it wouldn't make sense. It would be easier for the defense discredit him. Right? So notice the banker and C4 them, the first thing them do is own up to the fact that they are members of a gang. Right? This witness, in the end, him start to turn so much that he was discredited and the case dash out. So as I said earlier, Papa is at war with a man of them called Beego. Right? Now Beego run most of Hermitage, quote unquote run, you know, already in a bad man place. Right? So they tried to bring a case against him a couple years ago, and that case crumbled too. The witness for that case was, surprise, yes you guessed it, he was killed. So once the witness dead, you know, so the case can't go away, and I hate that. So you see the two quote unquote done them, right? Papa and Beego bust them case. One because the witness dead, next one because the witness start try to sell unicorn in a court. But there were other people from the Hermitage side who were on trial. Them man they recently bust the case too. Them bust the case because, you ready for this? Papa is talking to the same Hermitage man them and a woman we have got here called Joy. But yeah, I said, but Papa, I talk to Hermitage. Yes, two enemies, right, with the help of this woman we have got here, right, I'm going to play some clips from the voice note them. But two enemies attack how I'm going to bust them case. Later on, you're going to hear some other voice messages of some people who link to Papa. I say them confident, say I'm going to bust this case. But me say, this right here so is just spooky all around. But, the man them a record the conversation. And the difference the man them take the parts them will suit them and send Gary Road. So, remember say the Hermitage man them have case come out. Remember say the woman who them talk to in the conversation, she was supposed to be the witness for the Hermitage case. Papa, Hermitage man them, and this woman, quote unquote witness. A converse, a plot. But then sometimes two talk to each other and leave out one. If you understand what I'm saying. Different people are double cross each other. So now, after the recordings them quote unquote leak, remember enemy and enemy attack. Enemy and record things just for road. When that time we got trial and the Hermitage man them face the courts, there are the recordings of the quote unquote witness go turn up. The witness, right, was immediately discredited. Why? Because she depend recordings with Papa, with man, as to what she go do, and she now go say this, and she go say this. Remember, in court, the accused is not trying to prove his innocence. All them have to do, right, what a defense lawyer do, is just raising enough doubts, right, to make a judge say, no, I'm not confident say, that one. That's all you have to do for both case. That's what 87s work all the time. The onus is on the prosecution to prove the case. So by now, playing the same audio of the woman, right, as to what she go do and what she not go do, immediately it look like say this woman is a big time unicorn seller and nothing what she say can get taken seriously. So the case get through too. The Hermitage man them actually walk before Papa. So now I'm going to play the recordings then. It's a small clip. This is from the Instagram page, Augustown 876. They can hear the full thing what they saw. And put all of the picture of them, and put up captions, everything, so you have a full idea of what going on. But just want to hear certain things. Right, so now I have a better idea what me I talk about. Between the plotting, between the Papa, the Dan, right, Joy, and the Hermitage man. Right. You also have other people involved. Let me say Augustown page of the full thing. So I'm going to play a small clip. And by the way, our next set of recordings, right, they're over my view. Right, so you can link my view and you can point you towards the same Augustown recordings. But this is crazy stuff. So check this out.
She must know that man it's not of Augustus, she must know that it's a dead child and the wickedest thing, bad man. Like for real that she do man and she shall move chance, a big woman thing. And my job that to take out that woman the chance and her son, you never know bro. But once she said that I'm gonna link him, I hear what he must say, I hear what she has to say to the chance, you see me? Big woman thing and get back to your car, I don't know that. It's a process, a chance, process a bit process a chance that I don't know you, that's it. That's it. So it's now go back tomorrow.
Papa go out and I know what's going to happen, you know. But to me, to outdoor talk today, me know much like Kevin did dead the man. You remember, you hear some run, right?
Mm-hmm.
But still not fear who kill him. But still not fear who kill him. Depend man. Toby me depend. As the prosecutor asked me, say, if he made have had a mask tonight when he passed me. But I tell her, them ask if he must close up to him. I say, no, miss, he would never be as close up to me. Yes, me that get hurt.
Oh, yeah.
I say, shortly after Dwayne come out, him were behind Dwayne.
Yeah, cause them lose focus like them they ever remember say Giant the man a walk. And say Giant did it. And Giant did it for run through all choppy. Barefoot. The man them ever say. So I saw the man them so fool, broke their mind and Kevin and us all about Kevin and now look who run Kevin.
Yeah,
I say that. And the woman did it.
After them ears say, I try run off, go up on one road, we never know place run the way could have gone on in that road, but there the church.
I beat some wall and Chappy.
But I'm frightening of my life. I'm frightening of my life. And all of who did them are behave like.
Instead of them to lick off cover piece, man should lick off cover piece and make them say, yo, dog, and a plain thing, and we know they find a plain thing. I think I would have.
No. Because I said to my son today, say, I want to get the entire call my dog, I just talk to him and make him know. I tell him, say, I do have a good correspondence, because him did it with me for over 4.5 years now. Me and Dora have a good relationship. And so I tell her, say, I know, say, I ask my son, I say, when Papa go court? And he said to me, next week, I meet your Dora, say, I have a trial next week, Monday, and a 5-day trial only. And him say, stern on my face.
Really?
Yeah. But
You're a strong mama, man, isn't it?
yeah, it's a Toby.
Yeah.
I tell you this, man. Toby not play still. But you see, the end of the day still, me don't talk when I talk today, you know.
We are put him a spine for go, man, you see me?
But Mr. Dora, me question him today. And he said to me, I said, Papa, I know Papa, you know, Papa, my friend.
Sometimes I just know, say, oh, so two of them, Bogi, Topio, see, they catch him there, Bahamas, like, he pray, them boy, they forget it. Them boy, they, okay, they forget it too, you know. But sometimes I have to give some of them some blind, because the big one, them, I don't want to make her for them to go and the big one and start hide, because that's a guy. I don't want that. But when them to go still, you know.
But me not pay them no mind still.
No, but right now, the case the one done. You know.
Bury that.
Yeah, man.
You know the one, this thing. Nah, like the road. And now I'm going to jump up Monday, Tuesday.
Yeah, come on, bro, guys, but...
Now come out, man.
Yeah.
Don't watch it. It's the first day.
Yeah.
It's the day, which I bust off to the first day, but don't watch it. If you see them put it off back to the next day, still that's it.
That's cool, man.
They might want to might get time, and if they might get 2 days straight, the judge has a bust you. The judge has to say, beg the 5 days, see? Today 1, tomorrow 2. So you judge them to the 2 and the 3 days, now again a 5 days. They might tell you, I go to the 3rd, say, yo man, you're free to go, and now I'm going to court you. Yeah, me know you're feeling, free,
That's cool, bro, man.
That's what it's blood clot, if you're not free. And you expect one, I'm free. 1 year, you just get up. But up there, and I want to say, oh, you're free, and people are telling me, no, you're my dog free. Make me feel good for no one.
Hey, man. Oh, yeah, it's a real good, man.
Don't worry, I want to go in and I talk me away every day. So when I say, oh, come out, it's a drive for me. I know when a man call me and tell me, say, you're there.
Yeah, man.
Now I feel good.
True.
Now I feel good. Because I say, oh, sure, I don't feel so, because the dog not link me.
Oh, yeah, man.
Dog got that out there, I say, boom, book, all right then. That case, they wrap up.
Yeah.
So the way they talk is that Swiss people are them yard for the environment, right? No. On that jail, a plot how they're going to bamboozle the courts. So they don't trust each other. They might double cross each other. People are record and send go road. The witness, we're here, the woman, who was supposed to be the key in all of this, end up get instantly discredited. Because them go realize say, oh, a plot. This is extraordinary. But them you to understand how the courts work. They understand how the justice system work. And them a try exploit its weaknesses. So now instead of one man or one set that jail and one that road for run the place, the 2 man them that road same time say no what gonna happen now. Now that the Zozo is going to get tested. And one more thing. Some of the things them hear them tell each other. Remember I said they were playing mind games at the time. Right? They were basically comforting each other. They were selling unicorns to each other. They know they were going to double cross the next man. Them know say them just want to record for this credit. And at first it looked like the papa done for. But then even female if going to court. Because start move shaky. And based on how this whole thing went down, who knows what going there so. Spookiness all around. But everybody walk. So those are going to be tested. But papa and them man there, don't be surprised if you say certain things happen to them. Because in time boss case, they've gone back to the foolishness. So, you can see it clear out. Anyway, remember to check out August on 876 page for the full video. I must say, link my view for the clips in my email to come. Very interesting, so. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more live. Culture squad, see you circling. Bless.